Okay, folks, it's time for the craft room tour. We're at the doorway, and as you can see, there's the workspace. Sorry about the glare for that one light. I'm going to try to go slow so that everybody can see. I'm going to pan over here to the left first. I just hung the blinds in the windows. It's not done, but it's okay for now until I start living in it and decide where things are going to go. I'm backing up here slowly. On that wall, here we go. Oops, sorry about that. This here, the tools, that's garbage, and the tools need to go downstairs. That minty colored crate is actually empty. It's what I used when the craft room was downstairs for folders, for storage. So I'm hanging on to it, not sure what. I have all my cutting mats on the wall behind. Here we have a the hanging files, and in it has just stuff for mailing and all. As you can see, the top has envelopes. Let me pan over, go over a little bit more. So this is, as I said, the mailing station. And there's my printer. I have regular paper and two different kinds of Nina, 110 pound and 80 pound. My big guillotine cutter there, some mailing supplies. Up here is my glue gun and my embossing gun, and that's just there for now to put it someplace. And on the shelves up top, they're not organized, there's just stuff there. There's the IKEA pegboard with the buttons that we organized. And then these here things from IKEA, they come in a pack of 2, and I bought 2 packs, and I wasn't quite sure what to do with them. Maybe you're supposed to like hang one on each end and put a roll through it or something. But then I decided what a perfect thing to hang all my grids and stuff. I don't use them that much, and if I do, they're easy to get off. And I left the hooks for those wall stickers that I like to use when I'm making journals. And down below is just a box of stuff. Those are the lights that I got on Mother's Day from my daughter and grandson. They take up too much room here, and I don't think they're really the right kind of light, so I might need to invest in different lights. Then this is a storage closet, which is still a work in progress. As you can see, here's a box full of stuff I need to go through. Storage stuff that was in use and is no longer in use. This box back here has all the cardboard boxes that I use when I'm making journals, and that plastic bin down there has all my fabric scraps, which was downstairs. Over here I have up top just some storage and my spritz bottles that I use when I'm dyeing paper, and I have some empty spritz bottles over here. And over here is just a bookcase with some supplies on it there that I use. Okay, let's swing out and get a look at the craft room from this angle. As I said before, it's also our guest room, so here's the trundle bed. On that wall are the grids that I spray painted. Looking a little crooked right now, but that's all my fabric, aside from what's over there. That's my fabric stash. The dog's bed. This right here is very, very old. I've had it for, I don't know, 30 years. And it has, I have to go through it. And on top, as you can see, it's my sewing supplies. Over here, I have 2 sewing machines, which I have to take a look at. I'm not sure either one of them works. Both of them were gifted to me. Very old Tupperware storage stuff. Here's plastic bins, which have trims, a lot of home dec trims. I buy them because I like to make aprons and trim them out with some nice blingy stuff. Swinging around. This is this view of the desk. The arm for my phone for recording. This is my craft table here, folded up. And in here is a closet, which I need to organize. I have, you can see stuff in the back there. I have one of my rolling carts. The other two are over here. And I've been going through them. Some have empty drawers. I'm trying to figure out the best way to store all the stuff that's in there. This trash bag. Swing it around here. Oh, let's go this way. That is just a tripod for it. It holds the iPad right now, the iPad or the iPhone. Up top here, there's the metal magnetic board that I bought to put some die cuts on, but they don't stick to it. I don't know what's going on with that. This here is a very, very old tool thing that was my father's when I was a little girl. I spray painted it and I put extra stuff in there. We can zoom in and see what's going on in here. Trying to make sure. So I have some, here are some wide eyelets, all different colors. Narrow eyelets, this is empty, narrow eyelets, empty. This one is flowers, different sizes and different colors. Brads, not eyelets, and these are round brads, different sizes and colors. Some of these are empty. These are all my extra ink blending foams, some decorative edge scissors that I don't like. I don't use those. Here are just some elastic hair ties for making closures on journals, just some supplies there. On top, I have these two refrigerator bins that have my silicone stamps and dies in them. And embossing folders too. This is not the best solution, the best setup. I'm still figuring this out, but at least everything has a home at the moment. There's my die cut. And down here is just storage, and obviously it's not the best. Down there in that bin is all the journals that I've made and still have extra things, as you can see, just storage. There's one of my ephemera storage boxes, those photo cases. And then the rolling carts. And then next to the rolling carts are the wire racks, the 11-inch wire racks, which I thought were 12-inch wire racks. I'm backing up a little bit here. And I still need to organize stuff that's on there. And then in that corner is my old grids that are 14-inch grids, so they do hold the 12-inch paper. And I have that there. This is my craft cart that many of you have these, and I'm not quite sure what's up here. The next project is these. I need 3 more. I just got some Simon Hurley ink pads, and I counted and they're 15, and 15 fit in here. So this blue one is going to be for my Simon Hurley inks. These are all my Distress Oxides. And as you can see, I have the color on top, and then I have what it says, Shabby Shutters. So that's that. And then on the wall are the spray painted curtain rods that hold most of my ribbons. I really like it, and it's pretty. I like to be able to see things. If I can't see it, I don't know if I have it, and then I don't use it. And over here is my ink pads, my Simon Hurleys and my Distress Oxides and some other things down here. And on top, those are just some scrapbook.com re-inkers for when I want to play around with ink. And then I have the Altenew, and then also the new ergonomic blending brushes, these big ones. And I also ordered some on AliExpress from Alina Crafts. It takes a little while to get them, but they're the same. The Altenew brushes are pure white, as you can see. This is from AliExpress. This one is from AliExpress. And you can see there's no markings. You can also see that it's like a brownish color. And I think that the pink and Maine ones look like this. Whoops. Okay, there we go. Dropsies. All right, I'll pick that up later. So, and then on top here, I'm still organizing. This is just a pot lid rack that has the things that I use most. A very small scoreboard, my envelope board, my Tim Holtz guillotine, which is small, which I don't use a lot. I got it because everybody seems to love them, and I'm not quite in love with it yet. My Misty, my Tim Holtz stamping things, and then my Fiskars trimmer. And the reason why I got the Tim Holtz trimmer is because this Fiskars one, when it cuts the paper, it leaves like a bit of an edge or something. And I even changed the blade, so I'm still trying to figure out the best paper trimmer to use. So this is just all my paper flowers. I use these a lot in my journals and my card making, so I have them separated by color. These are my Nuvo drops and my liquid pearls, and these are just extra ones. Use those a lot also in card making and in journal making. And again, just more storage. Sorry for the glare on that one light. And this is the workspace. I haven't done any actual work. I'm putting together another video there, which is going to come out before this video. So, and then this is just my workspace. Over here are all the tools that I use, these things I need at hand. My scissors, my snips, my mini ruler, pens. These are over here, my Spectrum Noir, simply because these are all that I have and I have no place else to put them right now. And then up here, my tape runner, my glossy accents, my glues. I love this thing. A lot of people don't use this. This came with my Tim Holtz mat, but for smoothing things out when you're gluing them, absolutely love it. So this is my craft room. I think I just heard my dog come in too. Yep. So we will end with our dozy dog Bella. Pitiful pit bull. Well, we're only limited by our own imaginations. I like to have color around me. Obviously, purple is my favorite color. Look at all the purple. Let yours run wild. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you soon.